Here's a 2010 Toyota Tundra. Standard equipment in the widely acclaimed Tundra includes dual-zone air conditioning, tilt-adjustable steering wheel, traction control, stability control, and all-season tires. Not only is the Tundra the most durable truck you'll find, but it's also the most comfortable. Whether carrying passengers or hauling cargo, it's always easy going in the Toyota Tundra.
Peoria Volkswagen offers a fresh approach to buying a vehicle. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 8801 West Bell Road in Peoria, Arizona.